Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm super excited because it's actually my first time staying here at Radisson Blu. By tomorrow, I'll be attending a very special event. It's Philip and Megan's wedding day. So karon, mag-check-in ta, mag-room tour. It's just a quick tour lang guys, no? And also, since I'll be staying here for one night, mag-breakfast ta tomorrow sa ilang famous feria at Radisson Blu, Cebu. So, let's go! Radisson Blu Hotel is a premier 5-star hotel located in the heart of Cebu City, directly connected to SM City Cebu Mall and near the International Port. Naani sila 395 modern rooms, exceptional dining at feria, an outdoor pool, and extensive meeting facilities. Nakapark na mi guys. From parking palang daan guys, social vibes na kayo. Let's go sulod. Before ta makasulod, naa siya security check no, standard procedure lang gyud ni for safety. So smooth ra kaayo ang process, dali ra gyud. So let's go inside.
Wow!
Wow! Tanawan ninyo ang lobby. Super elegant ug spacious kayo, guys. Murag ma-feel nimo dayon ang relaxing vibes. Perfect for staycation. So karon mag-check-in at hopefully pas-pas ra no, kay excited na kumuadto sa room. Done, check-in complete. Let's go sa elevator guys, padulong na sa room. Okay, paakyat na ta guys. Excited na ba mo? Kaya ako, yes na yes, jud kayo guys.
Wow!
Quick stay lang ni, pero solito na to ang experience guys. Okay, welcome to my room. Tada! Limpyo kayo guys. Neat o very cozy. Perfect kayo pang rest. Tanawa ang bed. Murag dili na jud ka gusto mo bangon ani. Okay, let's check the restroom, guys. Nice kayo, super clean, complete amenities, ug relaxing ang vibe, murag spa, guys. And of course, ang view. Nice kayo ang city view, perfect pang chill ug muni-muni moments, guys. So that's it, guys. Quick tour lang sa atong room diri sa Radisson Blu Hotel. Short stay pero worth it kaayo. So if you want a relaxing and classy staycation, this is a good choice, guys. It's day 2 here at Radisson Blu and it's already 8:20 a.m. So I just woke up, got ready, and of course, we're heading to breakfast. So guys, I am here in Feria at Radisson Blu Hotel, Cebu's all-day dining buffet restaurant. Saging din. May saging. Wow, danggit. Salad. Japanese nga kuan eh. So far, so good ra jud ilahang food, guys. And now, I'm done with my breakfast. Wala na ko naka-video tanan, guys. Kay nagdali-dali na ko para mag-prepare sa wedding event. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Kay na-busy na jud ko, guys. After breakfast, nibalik ko sa room to paint my nails. And after, I went to my friend's room to have a makeup session. So, nag-hire mi og makeup artist to do our makeup. And the following are the moments nga akong na-capture. So, enjoy watching, guys.